The integration of robotics in modern manufacturing. The manufacturing industry has undergone a dramatic revolution as robotics technology has reached a mature stage of development. Modern factories now deploy sophisticated robotic systems that supplement human workers rather than replace them entirely. This collaborative approach represents a preliminary shift toward fully automated production lines, where humans and machines work together as a unified team to maximize productivity. Industrial robots follow strict protocol guidelines to ensure safety and efficiency throughout the manufacturing process. Engineers must refine their programming continuously, as even minimal errors can trigger costly production delays and disruptions. The qualitative improvements in manufacturing precision have been remarkable, with robots maintaining consistent performance across multiple production sphere operations daily. Factory managers often mediate between different departments to establish mutual understanding of complex robotic integration goals. Workers initially showed passive resistance to automation, fearing job displacement would violate traditional employment norm expectations, though resistance later relaxed across the industry. However, comprehensive temporary retraining programs helped unify the workforce around a shared vision of technological advancement. The route to successful implementation requires careful planning of each potential scenario. Companies cannot simply suspend existing processes without considering how new automated systems will overlap with current operations. A significant portion of the integration phase involves subordinate systems that support the main robotic units through various medium channels of communication. Military-grade precision sensors help restrain mechanical movements within safe operational parameters, preventing accidents that could harm workers. While some factories maintain rigid hierarchies, the most successful implementations adopt flexible methods, allowing both human intuition and robotic precision to contribute meaningfully to production. This balanced integration continues to reshape modern manufacturing worldwide.